Today we're going to be doing face-to-face lofting in TurboCAD Professional V16.1. Just going to pull up the cylinder tool here, and we're going to snap it to that intersection using I as the intersection, and the tab bar, tab 100. Its diameter automatically updates, so the circumference automatically updates, and we're just going to make it 10 thick. Enter. With the select tool, I'm going to make a copy now of the copy tool, and the position, I'm going to make that 100. Return. Just click anywhere in the drawing to get out of it. So now we've got two circles there. Back on the select tool, and I'm going to make that circle 50 on the X, 50 on the Y. That'll scale it. Oh, sorry. Let me just get back out of there. Go back. Undo, modify. What I did mean to say was 0.5 on the X, 0.5 on the Y, and we get a circle half the size. Spin this around. On the options now. Sorry, where are we? Window. Open layout template. We got that plan and an ISO. So with two drawings up now, we need to see two faces for lofting. So this drawing will look down at the smaller circle, and this drawing we're looking down at the bigger circle. Just get out of them. On the 3D tools, face-to-face lofting we're after here, which is this sort of leaning tower, and the face is highlighted up on one, and we can pop over to the other drawing, and just so you can have a quick look see at that, what we've got. And just it's a very useful tool for doing flanges on pumps and stuff. And I'm just going to select it, and I'm going to make a copy of it, and I'm going to make the copy where it is. So I'm going to make copy, and then I'm going to go down to the inspector bar, and I'm just going to put in 0.9 tab, 0.9 tab, 0.9, enter, and now we will have two there. You saw the program asking which one you wanted to select, and I'm just going to go into options. We want to put a couple of layers up. Put 4 up, I don't think we'll need any more than that. And I want to select the outer circle on the text box here. On layer 1. So when we 3D refresh the drawing, we just back to one circle, and let me just pull this around for you and get a work plane going on here. Just going to get both things back up just for a second. Into wireframe just to refresh the drawing. think that's come back up yet. Refresh it again. I didn't get it, didn't click off. Okay, so now we'll be back to there's one. That's it now, we're now showing 2. Big one and a small one. And I'm going to hide the big one on layer 1. And now I'm going to set the work plane by facet, which is this top facet there. I'm going to the 3D tools again. Cylinder, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut here to snap to this, and then I use the keyboard again, N, to do the nearest thing. I'm just looking down here at the inspector bar, and negative numbers going into positive. Doesn't matter how high I make it, tab it in at 100. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Tab it in at 100, and I'm going to 3D add it now. I'll show you why in a minute. Make it all one part. 3D add, select the bottom. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. ASIS, cylinder. So we have one unit there, and while it's highlighted, I'm going to turn layer 1 on, and we should now be I'm just going to put a bit of colour in it so you can see what's happening. On the 3D tools, we're going to go 3D subtract. So the first object is the body. That's obviously the wrong one, which is that one, and we're going to subtract that. And you can see there very quickly how you've made a lovely looking little flange. We could have put another cylinder, 3D subtracted it, and just to quickly show you, I'm going to put a bit of properties into it just for a bit of effect. Select properties in the 3D tab. Metals, of course, most of you will know by now. Polished gold. Wrong one. Polished gold for everything. And for a bit of effect. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Render scene luminance. Render scene environment. Background. Graduated inverted. Okie dokie. Not got time to mess about with the lights and show you there's something stunning at the moment, because these YouTube files are taking ages to load up. Just click out the drawing there and get out of it and have a look. So quickly see, I'm just see if I can get you a bit more in this drawing. Work plane by facet. Layer. Get your construction line in quick. Centre. Probably not found it from that angle. Centre snap. It hasn't. see where those other lines are. Should snap onto there. Pardon me, straight away. Facet, horizontal line, centre snap. There she goes, straight in. Centre snap again. Didn't select the line. Centre snap, keyboard shortcut, and very quickly stick a box on there where I is the intersection, and we can quickly drag a box out. We've got tab in at 150, tab 150, make it 10mm thick. Pick its reference point up. And I'm not going to be able to show you this, I don't think. Oh, it's selected it I, and it may look odd. It's just a matter of changing the properties now, putting some holes in our flange, and I think I'll do the properties for you, and then you can quickly see. The select tool, that's selected. I'm going to have to get out of the drawing just a sec. Cancel, and it should properties 3D metals, polished gold, okay doke. Then you can see quickly how you can build up your flange for your pump, whatever it is. Get some bolt holes, get some edges filleted, get it all smoothed out. So there you have to do face-to-face lofting. Do a lot of playing around with. It's a very clever little tool. You can't really set the parameters for what the loft shape's going to be, but that's not really an issue. So there you go, face-to-face lofting.